Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number 8. This video continues to stress the importance of teaching students how to recognize numbers and how to connect them to real life. The meaning of the number 8 can be simply explained by saying that it represents 8 objects in real life. Tracing. Students must be given many opportunities to do tracing in kindergarten because this skill is very closely connected to fine motor skills. Students are given opportunities to trace the number 8. So just a few examples, and you'd give them many more examples, because the more they trace the number 8, the more likely they are to recognise it and to remember it. It can be explained to students that the tracing represents the short way of writing the number 8. It is the actual number. We also need to explain that it can be written as a word. Students are given opportunities to trace the word 8. And here are just two examples, and they'd be given many more. Naturally, teachers would make students aware of the appropriate font. Students are given opportunities to recognise these groups that contain 8 objects. So for the first example, you would ask students to circle the box that contains 8 objects. When they hear the word box, they would know that it's only one box, and I'm sure they'll pick this one. The second example, students would be asked to circle the boxes that contain 8 objects. When they hear the word boxes, they know that it's more than one, so they'll have to look carefully, and I'm sure they'll pick this one and this one. We all know how students love colouring in, so they'd be asked to colour 8 animals. You can have any objects there that you want. And they also love drawing, as we know, and here's just an example where they can draw 8 objects, 8 hens, 8 suns, 8 moons. You can have any objects that you like here, it doesn't matter, as long as you give them plenty of opportunities to do that. So this video has introduced students to the number 8, and we've made some connections to the real world.